Hi everyone, it's been a while. I have uploaded a new video, so I thought it's a good idea to get back with a sweet dish, that too keto. Yes guys, I have come up with this low carb blueberry mousse. This is a much requested video. I hope it satisfies your cravings, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Also, if you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my profile. Go follow me over there for all other updates, and you will also find the link in the description box. So let's go and check out what's in the video today. So let's see what all do we need today. So here we can see chilled fresh cream. You can use heavy cream, in that way you will get better result obviously. And we can see unsalted butter in room temperature here. Artificial sweetener, this one is from Sugar Free, and I have one artificial flavor which is in butterscotch for today. You can use whichever flavor you. So here you will need 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter, then adding few drops of this sugar free liquid. You can use any stevia if you want. I personally don't like powdered stevia in my no fire desserts. And now we'll have to beat this. And then we will add 200 ml of cream, and I just realized this is no more chill. Try to use the cream super chill. You will get far better result that way. And now we will again beat this. Then it's time to add the cream cheese, and this is the one I have got today. You can use whichever brand you like. Even the cream cheese from Delecta is really good, and here we have added 2 tablespoons of it. And now it's time to beat it again. And then we will add a few drops of the artificial essence. The one I'm using today is butterscotch. You can obviously replace it with any flavor you like. And few more drops of sweetener goes into it. And then once again we will just beat it. And now it's time to arrange it in a glass or whichever container you like. As a crumbly base, we will use this one instead of biscuits obviously, because this is a keto recipe, and this is basically almond flour sorted well with ghee, sweetener and cardamom powder. So it's time to put this in the glass to build the base. Once it's done, we will add a layer of the cream mixture we made. See, this is a bit liquidy now as the cream was not chilled enough, but don't worry, if you keep it inside the freezer for a good 1 or 2 hours, you will get the perfect consistency and texture. And to add a little twist, we will add pieces of blueberry jellies to it. These are the leftover jellies I tried to make at home. But there are multiple low carb jams and jellies available in the market these days. You can use them too. By the way, I keep posting about keto products on my Instagram page. Follow me over there to get delicious updates on them. You will find the link in the description box. So as you have seen, the jellies were pretty dense. As it was my first attempt, it will definitely get better with time. After adding those jelly cubes, I will top it with another layer of the cream mixture we have. Then we will add few fresh blueberries. Later on, to garnish it and to make it look better, I will use this sugar-free liquid chocolate from Hershey's. You don't need to follow the flavor profile. I'm just showing you how do I make my keto mousse here. Adding one last big slice of jelly on top, and then we'll top it with a layer of fresh blueberries and a little bit of sorted almond flour we used for the base. Sorry guys, I just kept it inside the refrigerator for 10 minutes since I was impatient and I just wanted to have it. For exact mousse like consistency, please leave it at least for 1 hour inside the refrigerator and your dessert is ready.